Do you know how to cast your vote? Don't worry, this voter's guide will help you. Remember, your name in a voter list is mandatory to cast a vote. So, the first step is to visit elections24.eci.gov.in and click on Search in Electoral Roll. To search details via EPIC Voter ID card, select Language, enter your EPIC number, select your state, enter CAPTCHA code and click on Search button. In just a few seconds, you can search your name and polling station details in the voter list. In case you don't remember your EPIC number, you can search your details by mobile number. You can also check your poll date. On the polling day, visit your polling station with EPIC. If you don't have a voter ID card with you, you can use any of these 12 IDs, which are Aadhaar card, PAN card, Unique Disability ID, UDID card, Service Identity card, passbooks with photograph issued by bank or post office, health insurance smart card issued under the scheme of Ministry of Labour, driving license, passport, smart card issued by RGI under NPR, pension document, official identity card issued to MPs, MLAs, MLCs, Manrega job cards. Go to the first polling officer who will verify your identity using the voter list. Then proceed to the second polling officer who will mark your left hand index finger with indelible ink, give you a slip and take your signature. Then proceed to the third polling officer for indelible ink verification and activation of the ballot unit. Now head to the voting compartment and press the blue button for the candidate of your choice on the ballot unit. Confirm your choice by observing the red light. Verify your vote details on the printed slip from the VVPAT. VVPAT slip contains serial number, name of the candidate and candidate symbol. VVPAT slip appears for about 7 seconds, automatically cuts and falls into the sealed compartment. A loud beep confirms successful vote recording from the control unit. Remember, if no printed slip or beep sound, inform the presiding officer. Well done, you have made your contribution to the democracy. Every vote matters.